end up with me. Yeah. And, she always kind of old. Because then she said, I thought she was in a
I saw a man go down here, but I didn't realize it
but
was
then she
there.
said she has a doctor. Oh, I had to take her back. That's the holiday. But she's doing well.
Okay, look both ways. Make sure everything is good. And we are going forward. Okay. Starting our trail this morning. And guys, we are YouTube Live. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Esther No Longer Bound. The Acoma Walkers, and we are walking a nature trail in Webster, New York. The Whiting Nature Trail. And I've never walked this one before. A lot of these girls have. And so we're just going to see what it's about out here. Let me see what I'm seeing, what my steps are. It's 10:23. 10:23. And I have on my watch 2,199 steps. And today is Wednesday. Yeah. Today is Wednesday. And it is. Yep, I'm here.
Over there is like water.
Water?
Water and ducks over there.
Uh-huh.
And then that's like wetlands over. It's like wetlands.
Hey, everybody. This is Audrey. Turn around, Audrey. No, turn around. This is Audrey.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm filming live on YouTube, but not on Facebook yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and she is I don't know what to tell about this lady. She knows the trails, she travels, she just does things, and I just enjoy her, oh my God, her information. She gives us so much education. So this is Whiting's Nature Trail. And you were just saying, Audrey, just a minute ago, she's zipping her coat right now.
Try. Over there is the wetlands.
The
Usually
wetlands.
you see, it's like a little pond over there.
Okay,
And usually you see ducks.
okay, wildlife.
And, like a little swamp over there
Okay,
on the other side.
and on the other side over here, it's like a little swamp, guys.
It's covered in snow right now.
So as you can see, we're in New York and there's snow. Wherever you're watching us from. Okay, I gotta watch out for little bumps in the road there. Okay, I don't know, we're waiting on something here.
He just died.
Okay,
Who? Michael. Michael Gray.
they're having this little group conversation. These are all of our girls. Yep, they're Coma walkers. So we walk and we talk and we just get to, yeah, you'll see our cars are parked. Yeah, our cars are parked. Can you see my finger? Back over there is our cars, yeah. Yep, and so we just walk a little bit and we talk. Sometimes we just stand still. Sometimes we get steps.
Oh, okay.
Right now they just felt something that they needed to share. Yeah. So they just kind of wanted to. Guys, we got, yeah, some little berry here. I'm not sure what that little berry is, but I usually run into those every time we're out here in the woods. Yeah. Yeah. So when you're walking like this, you have sticks. And if you can see, we have on our boots. Yeah. And yeah, so we're, and there's a little unevenness in the ground too. Tree roots, rocks. So we make sure we watch out for all of that. Yeah. Okay. So, yep. So, guys, we're just gonna let them just go for a little bit there. Most of the time we walk a little bit sturdier, but today it seems like just kind of want to mingle and congregate. You know, one of the good things about our walks is that it gives us time to share. Yeah, yeah. It's a sisterhood, and we get to share. You know, to let you know that you're not alone. Yeah, yeah. Guys, just see. I think we got 3 to 5 inches of snow, I think. So right now, there's not much on the ground and not anything fresh. Yeah. So, yeah, so we want you to just hang with us for a few minutes and on our nature walk in the winter in Rochester, New York, actually, a community called Webster, which is on the outskirts of Rochester, about 5 minutes, little sub-community. Rochester is the largest city, yeah. Yeah. I don't know if we'll get to see any deer out here. Excuse me, didn't mean to make that sound. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you can see some animals, yeah.
Mind if we pass on by here?
Guys?
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Can I pass on
Yes,
by?
certainly.
Sorry. Thank you.
No problem.
Good morning, have a great day. Yep, this is a trail of a walk.
Yeah. I have no idea. I didn't.
Oh, Carol and them won't hear them. Oh, they don't know. They can't hear. They can't hear.
They got it.
They got it now? Okay. Okay.
Well, you know, we all got to share the territory.
Oh, yeah, so it's a little bit of an incline here, and we got our sticks. Oh, decline, I mean. I always get them mixed up sometimes. Incline, decline. Incline is going up. Okay, little bridge crossing here. Crosswalk. Now here comes a little incline. Yeah. You see some of the leaves. Still a few hanging on. Mm-hmm. It's really a beautiful day today. It's only in the 30s. Yeah, it's supposed to get even warmer. If that's warm to some of you. Yeah, if we get up to 36 in the winter over here, that's a good thing. Yeah. So the most exciting thing is if you would see We see some wildlife, but now there's a nice, that's a gigantic tree.
There's around you can keep it going.
Okay, our leader here is telling us that she got off the trail. Diane, did you say something?
I have not. Look at that tree trunk.
I just told the people about that one.
I have never been this way. I've always gone the other way, but I think they just loop around to go to the same place.
Yeah, we just talked about that tree, that big one.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw your picture.
Yeah, Audrey, did you see any deer? I'm hoping we could see some deer today.
I have never seen deer in this park.
Haven't seen any out here?
No, it doesn't mean they're not there. I just never seen.
The last couple of trips, we didn't see any. It'd have been nice to get some for the camera, you know?
The best was when we went to that cemetery.
Yes! That was awesome.
But awesome, yes. But
Who would have thought, guys? There was a buck and a doe, and they were on our cemetery walk. You guys go back and look at some of our videos and you'll see them. We're on YouTube, guys. youtube.com/Esther, ESTHER, PINKSTON. And just click my playlist and look for the Acoma Walkers. Yeah.
the branches hanging low. It snapped, but not yet fallen. Not on this side, on the other side, but I think they go around checking and stuff.
Yeah, they're doing some cutting on the other side.
There's a lot of people that come here, you know.
Oh, we do the midnight trail? Okay, guys. All right. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm making noises today. All right.
I used to be able to do this.
Used to be able to walk backwards. Guys, I'm just panning the camera.
Oh, I can't either. I can't either. Baby. Can you feel that?
Yep, you can see there's a bench there. And that's when folks want to kind of like sit, maybe watch the. Oh boy, we got a downhill coming now.
Just go on the side where the snow is, not where it's packed with footsteps.
I'll let y'all fall.
It's sort of got stairs with the tree trunk roof.
It almost looked like steps, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It is.
It actually is like.
No, I didn't bring my other pole. I only have one. I'm going to use it in my right hand. And I'm going to go down here. Whoops.
sorry.
No, no sorriness here. No sorriness here. Nope. And right down and stay flat. Yep. That's the way you do it. Okay. And then when you go up, you take your time and you stay flat. Stay flat. It's your heel that's the working. And your stick. Okay. And we go down again. Got some more roots here. Okay. Okay. All right. Coming into another lot of tree roots. Okay. Excuse me. I'll follow Diane with the tree root. Act like a step. It's a little creek or a river. Little creek. Yeah, it's still running too.
Barely. I mean, well, it's running, but
Yeah.
barely you can see it running.
Yep, a little bit of water running underneath there. Yep, you can hear it. There you go, guys. It's flowing a little bit. Okay. Yep, another bridge across. Walkway here. Okay. Here we go. Hey. Guy, we see a red sticker on the tree. What does that mean?
It's the trail.
Okay.
So it's just a marker.
Are they behind us? Do we have folks coming behind us?
They're just crossing the bridge, yeah.
Okay. All right.
So we follow the red trail, the red marker still.
Uh-huh. Grand tour. Okay.
Quite a few people
Coming before.
Yeah, when we were walking last week. And it seems like it's a popular.
Yeah, it looked like it's popular this morning too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so follow. We stay with the red guys. See the red on the trees. Look like a vehicle been up here.
Where?
Truck.
Oh, yes, yes,
The guys maintaining the park.
yes.
Okay. And the airplane coming overhead.
Oh, nice. You know, she has delivered. Sweet.
Yeah. Oh, somebody's camping.
Oh yeah. That would be nice. I got a girlfriend gonna do that in a couple of weeks.
Oh, looks like
Yeah. Girl Scouts, maybe? Look at that, Diane.
Yeah.
An old pump like we had in the country.
Yeah.
I think this is part of the camping room.
Yeah, old borehole.
We go this way.
Yeah, I wanted to get a picture of that old pump.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And Girl Scouts are camping.
Oh, nonviolent communication.
Which one is it?
It looks like some kind of
Like a church?
or a church group. It's,
Victory.
Nonviolent communication.
Nonviolent communication.
Yeah. What are
It's a seminar, I think, maybe, a little class or
they?
something.
Yeah. Because
Called
this
nonviolent
sign says,
communication.
yeah.
All right. You get in front.
Oh.
Yo, my girlfriend's going to be doing that in about a Wednesday after next. I'm going to have to work for her from 1 to 6. So that'll be on the 26th. So hopefully I can do my walk, go home, change, and go to work. Relieve her because she is going to go camping.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where's the camping?
I don't know. She and some girls that she work out with,
Yeah.
They're going to,
they have a cabin somewhere.
This is where we, with Abba, this is where we used to camp in Worcester Park.
Yeah, yeah.
My daughter's from for many years.
Still showing you guys that there's still some leaves on the trees out here.
Yeah. It's a very nice place.
It's a pretty busy trail. Beautiful trail. So guys, if you've never walked Whiting Nature Trail, this is the part 2. This is across the road. The one on the other side was the Blue Trail. It was very hilly and it was very muddy. So we didn't really enjoy that one. It's better for a summer day maybe. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so guys, we hope you enjoyed being with us. This is your girl No Longer Brown, and we will see you next time.